Next point is distance of a point from plane. In last lecture, we studied about angle between two planes, angle between line and plane, coplanarity of the line, and the point is distance of a point from the plane. What is the distance of a point? Suppose a point A of A bar and a plane R bar dot n cap is equal to P, then distance of this plane from this point is magnitude of P minus magnitude of A bar dot n cap. This is a distance. There is no theorem on that equation, but how will we get this equation? Consider a plane. Its equation is R bar dot n cap is equal to P. Then consider another point A of A bar. We have to find the distance of the plane from this point. That is, we draw a perpendicular from this point on that plane. So we have to find this distance. Now this point is on another plane. Suppose this point is another plane. Consider a plane. Suppose this point on this plane, and what is the equation of that plane is, suppose R bar dot n cap is equal to A bar dot n cap. This is the equation. R bar dot n cap is equal to A bar dot n cap. What is A bar dot n cap? This is the distance of a plane from the origin. Suppose this is origin O and its distance from the plane. This is mod of A bar dot n cap. So the distance of this point, and this point is on the plane. So the distance of this point from origin is A bar dot n cap, and we have to find a distance of a point from this plane. Now the equation of this plane is R bar dot n cap is equal to P. Then what is P? P is the distance of this plane from the origin. That means from this origin to this plane, that distance is P. Now how will we get this equation, this value? That is, if we subtract this total distance and this distance, we will get that. So what is this? P. From origin to this plane, distance is P. And from origin to this point, this distance is mod of A bar dot n cap. This is a distance, therefore we will get a modulus. So this is a distance of a point from the plane. We have just equation, this equation, or this just formula for the example. We can't derive this in examination. We have just only formula. You just remember that formula. What is the value of P? What is the value of A bar? What is P? P is the distance of a plane from the origin. What is A bar? A bar is the point on the A bar is a point in a space, and n cap is the normal to the plane. Now look at some examples. So first example. So first example is, find the angle between the planes R bar dot I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap is equal to 13 and r bar dot 2 I cap minus j cap plus k cap is equal to 31. We have to find the angle between these two planes. What is the formula of angle between these two planes? That is cos theta is equal to n1 bar dot n2 bar upon mod of n1 bar dot n2 bar. This is the formula which is angle between two planes. So we have to find first n1 bar and then n2 bar, then we put the value of these two in that formula. Then what is n1 bar? By given equations, n1 bar is equal to n1 bar, it is a normal to first plane, that is I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. What is n2 bar? Normal to second plane, that is 2I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Now our formula is that cos theta is equal to mod of n1 bar dot n2 bar divided by mod of n1 bar dot mod of n2 bar. What is the value of n1 bar? Is I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap dot value of n2 bar 2I cap minus j cap plus k cap divided by, here magnitude of n1 bar, that is square of the coefficients of ijk and we add it. That is square root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square into root of 2 square plus minus 1 square plus 1 square. Then is equal to, now we will get the dot product here. How we will get the dot product? That is multiplication of coefficient of similar I cap, j cap and k cap. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into minus 1, which is minus 1. 2 into 1 plus 2 divided by, here root of 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. 4 plus 1 plus 1, which is root 6 into, here 4 plus 1 plus 1, which is root 6. So 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 divided by root 6 into root 6, which is 6, which is equal to mod of 1 by 2. This is a value of a cos theta, which is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, theta is equal to cosine of that angle whose value is 1 by 2, which is 60 degree or pi by 3 radian. This is the angle between the plane. Now, next example. Find the acute angle between the line r bar is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap plus lambda 2I cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap and the plane r bar dot 2I cap minus j cap plus k cap is equal to 0. We have to find the angle between the line and the plane. What is the formula? Formula is sin theta is equal to mod of b bar dot n bar upon magnitude of b bar dot magnitude of n bar. This is a formula of a angle between the line and plane. For this we have to find value of b bar and value of n bar. What is b bar? B bar is a parallel vector to the line. And what is n bar? N bar is a normal to the plane. So from given equations, this is the equation of a line. R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda B bar. So B bar is equal to 2I cap plus 3J cap minus 6K cap. This is the value of B bar. Now N bar, R bar dot N bar is equal to 0. Therefore N bar is equal to 2I cap minus J cap plus K cap. We get B bar and N bar. Now we use formula which is sin theta is equal to mod of B bar dot N bar divided by mod of B bar mod of N bar. B bar, which is 2I cap plus 3J cap minus 6K cap, dot N bar 2I cap minus J cap plus K cap divided by its magnitude, that is the root of 2 square plus 3 square plus minus 6 square into root of modulus of N bar, which is 2 square plus minus 1 square plus 1 square. If we solve this, we will get sin theta is equal to mod of. Firstly, we have to make a multiplication, that is dot product of coefficients. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Minus 6 into 1, minus 6. Divided by, now root. 2 square, which is 4. 3 square, which is 9. And 6 square, which is 36. 36 plus 4, 40. 40 plus 9, 49. So root of 49. Here 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1, and there is 1. 4 plus 1 plus 1, which is root 6, which is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1 and 1 minus 6, which is minus 5. So sin theta is equal to mod of minus 5 divided by square root of 49 is 7 root 6. This negative sign is neglected because of modulus. So theta is equal to sin inverse of 5 by 7 root 6. This is the angle between line and plane. Show that the lines R bar is equal to 2J cap minus 3K cap plus lambda I cap plus 2J cap plus 3K cap and R bar is equal to 2I cap plus 6J cap plus 3K cap and plus mu 2I cap plus 3J cap plus 4K cap are coplanar. We have to show that these two lines are coplanar. What is the condition of coplanarity? If determinant of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, its value is 0, then we say that these two lines are coplanar. So firstly we have to find the determinant. For that we have to find out the values of this x1, x2, a1, b1, c1, that is direction ratios and the point. So from given equations, what is x2, y2, z2? It is a point. Or what is x1, y1, z1? It is also a point. It is a point to the on the first line, and x2, y2, z2 is the point on the second line. So x1 is equal to 0. Here I cap term is absent, so x1 is equal to 0. y1 is equal to 2 and z1 is equal to minus 3. x2 is equal to, second line equation, 2, y2 is equal to 6 and z2 is equal to 3. Now a1, b1, c1. What is a1, b1, c1? a1, b1, c1 are the direction ratios. First line, which is a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 2 and c1 is equal to 3. a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 3 and c2 is equal to 4. We will get this value. Now what is the condition? That is determinant. We have determinant of first x2 minus x1, that is x2 minus x1, which is 2 minus 0 is 2. y2 minus y1, that is 6 minus 2, which is 4. z2 minus z1, which is 3 minus of minus 3, that is plus 3, which is 6. Then a1, b1, c1, which is 1, 2, 3. a2, b2, c2, which is 2, 3, 4. We solve this determinant. If you want to expand, then expand it, or you use the properties of determinant. I use the properties of determinant here. If we take a common 2 from the first row, then 2 into, here is 1, here is 2, here is 3. Second row as it is 1, 2, 3. Third row as it is 2, 3, 4. If two rows are identical, then the value of a determinant is 0. So 0 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 0. So its value is 0. Therefore, given equations of a line are coplanar. Now, next example. Find the distance of the point 4i cap minus 3j cap plus k cap from the plane r bar dot 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap is equal to 21. We have to find the distance of a point to a plane. And what is the formula of a distance of a point to a plane? It is P minus mod of a bar dot n cap. For this formula, we have to know value of P, value of a bar and value of n cap. What is the value of a bar? A bar is a point that we have to find the distance from that point. So a bar is here. Now we have to find n cap and P. Then what is this? This equation is of the form r bar dot n bar is equal to d. So firstly, we have to convert this equation into the normal form. What is normal form? R bar dot n cap is equal to P. So first, we have to convert this equation into normal form. Here, a bar is equal to 4i cap minus 3j cap plus k cap. And given equation of plane is r bar dot 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap is equal to 20. So its normal form is r bar dot n cap is equal to P. For that, we we have to find out first n cap. N cap is equal to n bar upon magnitude of n bar. So n cap is equal to n bar, that is 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap divided by magnitude of n bar, its magnitude, that is root of 2 square plus 3 square minus 6 square, which is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap divided by 2 square is 4, 4 plus 9 plus 36, which is 49, and root 49 is 7. So this is the value of n cap. Now we change here only, we want to change here what is n bar is replaced by n cap. We have a numerator, but we don't have a denominator which is divided by 7. So we divide this equation by 7. So its normal form is, therefore equation becomes, this equation becomes r bar dot 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap divided by 7. We divided by 7 on both sides. So here divide by 7 is equal to 21 by 7. So r bar dot 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap divided by 7 is equal to 3. So this equation is of the form normal form, that is r bar dot n cap. This is the value of n cap. R bar dot n cap is equal to P. So here P is equal to 3. Now we have to find the distance. So distance is equal to mod of P minus mod of A bar dot n cap. So what is the value of P? P is 3 minus mod of A bar. What is A bar? 4i cap minus 3j cap plus k cap dot, what is n cap? N cap is here 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap upon 7, which is equal to mod of 3 minus, it divided by 7 as it is, we take divide by 7 as it is. Here dot product of these two. So 4 into 2, which is 8, minus 3 into plus 3, which is minus 9, plus 1 into minus 6, which is minus 6, which is equal to mod of 3 minus 8 minus 9 is minus 1, minus 1 and minus 6 is minus 7. So here minus 7 by 7. 7 get cancelled, we will get minus 1, and because of modulus minus 1 get plus 1. So mod of 3 minus, this minus is as it is, and this become plus 1, which is 1, which is equal to 2 units. So this is a distance of a point from the plane. This is our last example of this plane, and the chapter is also over line and plane. So from the starting we just review only equations of the line and plane, which is we will study about firstly the line and then plane. First in the line we learn 4 theorem. First theorem is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. the equation of a line passing through a point and parallel to a vector b bar. Second equation, r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar minus a bar. This is the equation of a line passing through 2 points. Its Cartesian form. Then we learn the distance of a point from the line, which is root of mod of alpha bar minus a bar square minus of alpha bar minus a bar dot b bar upon mod of b bar bracket square. Distance of a point from the line. Then distance between two skew lines, which is mod of a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar divided by mod of b1 bar cross b2 bar, and distance between two parallel lines, which is mod of a2 bar minus a1 bar cross b cap. This is in line. And what is in plane? We will study 5 equations. First equation, r bar dot n bar is equal to a bar dot n bar. This is the equation of a line passing through a point and perpendicular to a vector. Then r bar dot b bar cross c bar is equal to a bar dot b bar cross c bar. Equation of a plane passing through a point and parallel to two non-zero vectors. Then r bar minus a bar, b bar minus a bar, and c bar minus a bar is equal to 0. This is the equation of a plane passing through 3 non-collinear points. Then r bar dot n cap is equal to p. It is a normal form of this equation. Then r bar dot n1 bar plus lambda n2 bar is equal to d1 plus lambda b2. This is the equation of a plane which is passes through the intersection of two planes. Then we study the angle between two planes. What is cos theta is equal to mod of n1 bar dot n2 bar upon mod of n1 bar dot n2 bar. Then angle between two planes, which is angle between line and plane, which is sin theta is equal to b bar dot n bar upon mod of b bar dot mod of n bar. The condition of coplanarity. And last point is distance of a point from the plane, which is mod of p minus mod of a bar dot n cap. This is the distance of a point from the plane. So we studied these points in this chapter. I hope you understand all this. Thank you.